But I mean, $50,000 is an awful lot of money for people to pay for a pet.
It's definitely a very big financial decision that one would have to make. I mean, it's definitely not for everyone. It was just something that I wanted to do, so it worked for me.
You could have gotten a great date on this website we were just talking about. No. So where do you go to get a dog cloned?
South Korea.
South Korea is where they're doing this.
South Korea right now is the only place that's doing it, commercial dog cloning.
And your house, I understand, is kind of like a shrine to trouble. I mean, you kept everything of his.
I did. I kept everything. I kept all his little clothes. I kept his costumes with hopes that one day I would be able to clone him and he would come back.
And was your connection with Trouble, I mean, from day one with him?
Yes, day one. From the first day that I actually
Wait,
met
is that a
Trouble.
wall in your house?
Yes.
You've got an entire wall with Trouble's picture on
Yeah,
it.
my cousin drew it for me.
Oh. So you're saying this connection was from the get-go?
From day one, when I first actually walked into the place to buy him.
Wow, wait a minute. Look at this. This is Trouble's. You've got a Trouble bedspread?
Come on, look how handsome he is. Wouldn't you have the same?
Wow. I mean, I know people who love their dogs, but you love your dog.